In the previous video, when I talked about brainstorming, I mentioned that you want to do some connecting of different words and phrases and ideas, putting them together in different ways, taking different viewpoints, and ultimately coming down to some sentences that you write out that express the message that you're trying to communicate. Remember, that message has to be both creative and clear. Well, the process here is coming down with a simple sentence that expresses the message. You might think of it like a headline. If you were to do a magazine ad or something like that, there would be a headline and then it would be supported by this visual communication, this composition that you create. Think about synthesizing your brainstorming down into simple sentences. What is a simple sentence? It doesn't have an and, it doesn't have a but, it doesn't have an or. It has just a few simple words expressing this message. It can be a very creative message, but it is a simple sentence because what you're trying to do is you're trying to hone in on what that main message is. So we're talking about messaging. In your brainstorming, you need to arrive at several different simple sentences expressing different ideas, different creative ideas. You don't end up with just one because you never know how it's going to work out down the road. You need to come down to 3 or 4 different simple sentences expressing different ideas. Not 4 of the same, but different ideas, because later on down the road, you want to try to express those different ideas visually, and you don't know which one is going to work out the best. Later on down the road of the process, you'll express them visually, and it's there that you're really going to start making some serious decisions about the direction that you want to take this project. Okay, so the thing I want to get across to you right now is that from your brainstorming, come down to simple sentences, more than one, expressing different ideas. And then from there, you're going to move forward to the next step, which is moving towards what those visuals look like. Okay?